Hello, good evening. Uh, your good name? Sorry, I forgot.
Okay. Good evening, ma'am. My name is Aman Nagi,
Aman.
and
Hmm.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So, Aman, please introduce yourself and then we'll dive into the session.
Okay. So, thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Aman Nagi, and basically, I am from Jhansi district. But for my study purpose, I am living in Bhopal, and currently, I am pursuing BTech in IT stream, and I am in last year student.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, right now you are doing your study, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, so do you go to college every day?
Uh, Ma'am, that is my this is my seventh semester. So at this time, I am not going to every day.
Okay, okay, but still you need to go sometimes, right? Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
let me introduce myself and so that we can be familiar to each other, right? As we are meeting very first
Yes, ma'am.
time. So, as you know that my name is Sakshi Chauhan. I born and brought up in Gwalior, which is also called City of Music. And right now I'm doing my PhD. So I'm a PhD scholar. And yes, apart from that, I have my YouTube channel where I upload such kind of conversational videos, and I'm learning and working on my English and my communication as well. Yeah, and when it comes to my hobbies, so yeah, in my leisure time, I love to writing and reading books. So writing is something that fascinates me. Yeah, so that's all about me.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay. So, Aman, I want to know that mainly what is your routine? How do you spend your day or how do you make it productive?
Okay. So, ma'am, in my free time,
Hmm.
I solved, I solved many of the questions
Hmm.
that is related to my subjects
Okay.
like coding, C++, like that.
Hmm.
And also in my free time, uh, I would like to traveling like in outside that like means in garden.
Hmm.
That's yeah,
Okay. Okay, great.
that's my
And
daily routine.
that's your daily routine, right? Most of the time you spend
Yes,
your time in study and rest of the time you go somewhere or just to make your mind
yes, ma'am.
relax. Is it?
Yes, yes, ma'am. And I am also going to temples also.
Okay. You also go to temples, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay. So, Aman, I want to know about English little bit as you are completely indulged in your studies, right? So, you might not get enough time for practice only English and to study only English. So, tell me what are the problem and what are you thinking about English? How do you try to overcome this?
Okay, ma'am. So at this time, I am a beginner and uh, before some days ago,
Hmm.
like 57 around. So I am using one application that is not, that's name is Peer Up,
I was
and
using.
this yeah I was using
Hmm.
uh, the application that's name is Peer Up, and it provides to English environment and improve my to help and improve my communication skills.
Hmm.
And I want to get a job, and so that's why I am improving my communication skills as soon as possible.
Okay, so for your job purpose or to getting a good job, you are improving your English, is it?
No, for a job purpose,
Hmm.
but sometimes I feel very sad because some around surrounding me, uh, some peoples are meet uh, uh, another people and conversation and start with the conversation of English language. So that's why on that time I feel very sad.
Okay, lack of confidence. You can say that I
Yes,
feel
ma'am.
lack of confidence because I don't know this language, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Right. So, are you putting any effort in order to learn this language? Are you doing
Uh,
extra
yes, ma'am.
activities? Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. In this time, I am using one application that's name is PRF. I told you.
Yeah, yeah, PRM.
Yes, ma'am. And but at this time, I don't have more time because this time is this time is very important for me because in this time I am preparing for my placements also.
Hmm. Right. Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
apart from that, are you doing also another task like listening, reading, writing, or you're just focusing on speaking?
Uh, at this time, I am only focusing on speaking,
Mm-hmm.
but sometimes I learn vocabularies also. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, great. So, if you have decided, definitely you will learn this. And how long you are doing it? When did you first decide that I need to learn this language? And when did you took your first step?
Uh, I think before 57 days. Yeah, ma'am.
So recently you have started learning this language, is it?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, fine, fine. And have you decided any particular time or any particular duration that only in duration I have to learn this language? I have to, make it better.
Mm.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. In a day, uh, I give half an hour on a day
Okay.
on my English communication.
Mm-hmm. Okay. I'm
And
asking. Hmm.
yes,
Yeah, yeah. Continue.
and I will keep try to my best in front of my in front of my friends and anywhere.
Mm-hmm. Okay, great. So if you have decided and you are learning and you are also taking steps to definitely you would able to accomplish your dreams and desire in order to become fluent in this language. Hope so. But my advice is just that be consistent. Sorry, whatever you are doing, whether you are using any application, you are connecting with people, because it happens with me also when I take rest, when I break that consistency. Definitely it takes too much courage and energy to come back in that zone. So that is my advice. I would definitely suggest you
Yes,
that
ma'am.
be consistent whatever you are doing, whether you are listening, whether you are talking to people. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for giving me this advice,
Hmm. Right.
and I will definitely keep practice on your advice.
Definitely. Yeah. No, it will work for you if you do it consistently. Okay, let's talk
Yes, ma'am.
and let's discuss some interesting question. Okay, I will ask you some hypothetical and conditional questions. So you can answer it. Actually, these are some very normal
Yes, ma'am.
questions. I would talk about later this question. Fine. So tell me, what is the biggest advice that you have ever received? What is the biggest advice you have ever received? Good advice,
Uh,
you can say. What was the good advice you have ever received?
at this session or in my life.
Anything, anything, not only session, in your life, in your entire life.
Uh, yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
In my entire life, my grandfather gives me, my grandfather said that Aman, if you give respect to any person, then
Hmm.
definitely you will be a good man.
Hmm. Okay. If you
That's my my grandfather said to me.
this is the
So that's the yeah, that's yeah, this is the very good for me.
good advice you have received. Okay. Tell me, what is the biggest weakness or what is the biggest mistake of your life? I mean, yours.
Okay.
Yes. That you feel so far it was my
So
biggest mistake.
Okay, ma'am. So
Hmm.
sometimes if I have uh, if I feel uh, if I feel uh, I have some mistakes on a particular condition or situation, then on that time I feel very guilty.
Hmm.
I feel very guilty and nervous also
Hmm.
that what is the mistake and that happens by me. So
Hmm.
that is, yeah.
I'm asking that according to you, what is the biggest mistake of yours? Biggest mistake
Okay,
of
sorry.
yours in the entire life? Hmm.
Okay, okay, sorry, ma'am.
No problem.
Uh, okay, in my entire life, in my past, in my school time,
Hmm.
uh, 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 I am in my, I was told my friend,
Okay.
uh,
I told
I
you.
was told my friend, uh, his name is Arjit, and yeah, his name is Arjit.
Hmm.
Then Arjit, you are a you are a bad person.
Okay.
I don't know what. Yeah, I don't know.
I
On
didn't.
this time, I didn't know.
Hmm.
Uh, on that time, I didn't know what uh, was I am saying to
Hmm.
him.
What am I saying?
Yeah. So that is my biggest mistake in my life, and at this time, I feel guilty.
You still feel guilty for that, for those words that you have said that time.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. And if I ask you that what is your biggest achievement so far? Biggest achievement that you feel. Actually, it can be anything. It can be in terms of relations, in terms of money, in terms of education, in terms of society, anything that you feel that this is
Yes,
my
ma'am.
biggest achievement.
So uh, my me and my family bond is very powerful because no one can but because uh, no one can speak, no one can told me our parents then what that then what is my mistake.
Hmm.
So I on that time
Mhm.
on that time at this time my parent will uh, sorry ma'am.
No
uh,
problem. It's fine. You can
so
take those. Yeah.
yes ma'am. So without hesitate I uh, mm, I told my without hesitation.
Hmm.
I told my parents. Then my father,
Hmm.
uh, Papa, that is my mistake,
Hmm.
and my mom says that Mummy, that is my mistake. That happened by me. That happened by me.
Hmm.
So that is my greatest achievement in
Biggest.
my life.
I do agree with this. Actually, in terms of family, this is really biggest achievement. When we are completely open or we are completely free to share everything, even our mistakes, our achievements, our failures, everything we can share with them. And we know that
Yes,
this our parents are not going to scold us definitely, but in some families it happens. You know that kind of environment when children are not very familiar with their parents. So yeah, in this
but
thing,
sometimes
hmm,
yes, ma'am. But sometimes some peoples and sorry some children will not some children can't speak our problems in front of parents,
hmm,
and on that time children's shy on that time.
yes,
Yeah.
right. They have fear, they have hesitation. What if I share something to
Yes,
my
ma'am.
mother or father? They will
Yeah.
definitely think of me, they will definitely scold me. So, but yeah, of course,
Yes, ma'am.
this is not good. And we should have open environment. So yeah, I need to say that you are really privileged, and this is really your biggest achievement. Hmm. Okay. Do you have any questions for me? Because at 8:30 I have class, so we have only 5 minutes. If you have any question, you can
Okay,
ask.
ma'am.
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a question for you. Uh, ma'am, what can I do that how can improve my communication skills as soon as possible?
Okay, only one thing or one key of success that I already mentioned initially, that practice. Sometimes when you
Yes,
speak, you forget your thoughts, right? It happens. Of course, you have noticed. In past form, you are using another helping verbs.
yes,
Actually, this is not a very big deal. Fine. But as we have to talk about every nuances, that's why I'm talking about those things, right? You are trying to thought, you are gathering thoughts at that particular moment, but you are failing sometimes, right? Because lack of
yes, ma'am.
practice, I think. And if you continue do this thing, if you continuously speak on daily basis, definitely you will able to overcome. This is
Yes,
nothing
ma'am.
is this is not a uphill battle. If you practice, you can it. Hmm? Just when you speak, think about, okay, if I am just practice, when it comes to present and past, you can separately practice this. Okay, how can
Yes,
you practice this when it comes to past? Right now, you were sharing something about past and you were using some present helping verbs. When you were talking about present, you were using your past helping verbs, right? I was
yes,
told.
ma'am.
It happens sometimes. So what you can do, when you can assign your task, like, okay, I have to share any childhood memory, childhood incidents. If nobody is with you, just record your camera, I mean start your camera and talk about like this. Okay, I have to talk about my yesterday's routine. These are the things that you can do for
Yeah,
past sentences. I have to share my yesterday's routine, my
yes, ma'am.
childhood memories. Okay. Any movie story,
Yes, ma'am.
anything I watch, something that I watched recently, I can. So these are the things that you can do for your past. And of course, for present, you can talk about so many things. We have plenty of topics on the internet. When
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
not able to find, of course, you are using one application, Peer Up, right? So with your
Yes, ma'am.
co-learners, you can talk about that. But in case there is nobody, just turn on your camera, start talking about it.
Yes,
Wonderful
ma'am. Thank you.
way to improve. And
Thank you, ma'am.
make a mindset that for next 30 minutes I have to do this. Sorry, next 30 days I have to do this.
Yes,
At any cost. No Sunday, no holiday, no festival, nothing. Every single day. I have to record my 5 minute video.
yes, ma'am. And I have one more question. So can I ask?
Yes, yes. Please ask.
Okay, ma'am. Sometimes I feel hesitate in front of known and unknown person also.
Hmm.
So how can uh, remove it?
Okay, okay. So when you hesitate only in English or
Yes,
just in.
only in English.
Yeah, so this is of course related to your English. When you are confident, when you know that whatever I'm speaking, I'm absolutely correct, then you won't face this shyness or fear.
Yes, ma'am.
So only thing, just start connecting with people if it's possible. There are so many people, so YouTubers, right? So many people, they are keen learners with whom you can
Yes,
start
ma'am.
practicing, and with application also you can continue. And the third thing is that you have to turn on your camera. That of course you can do it alone at any time, but for these practice you need person. But we have to do this with person. If you are comfortable with yourself only in front of camera and you're not able to speak in people, that's also not worth it, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
start doing it. I'll also have a Telegram channel, so where I'll add you, so where you can share your video
Yes, ma'am.
on daily basis.
Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
And whenever I will have a Sunday session, actually, I'm doing that Sunday session. That is also free. So
Yeah.
where you can join. There are so many people,
Thank you.
not so many, but four to five
Yes,
people.
ma'am.
With them, you can join. Fine.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yeah.
it was a wonderful session. Just keep practice and learn on
Yes,
daily
ma'am.
basis. Okay. Bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Have a good
Okay, ma'am.
night.
I'm glad
Thank
to
you.
talk with you.
Yeah, I'm also
Yeah,
very
ma'am.
happy. Thank you.